Alright, up for sale is a Homelite 330. It had the usual intake boot that was rotten. I replaced it. It has a almost brand new air filter. It's in really good shape. I got rid of the, what do you call it, the hand guard here, and I used matching stainless screws. I don't really like the hand guards. I'm smart enough with the saw. Fuel lines, carburetor, everything else is in good shape. The sticker, of course, is worn off on this side from setting on the side and filling it up. It's in great shape, really. I mean, it's probably 20-something years old. This is a true cold start. There's nothing hot about this thing at all. To be honest, it probably starts, I should say it pops probably on the 5th or 6th pull, and then after that it's usually just 1 or 2 after that, and it usually zings right up. So I don't really have a way to prop my phone. One-handed starting on these things is not necessarily the easiest thing, but if you do your throttle lock, choke, of course. I'll try it, so bear with me here. Yep, 6. Forgot to say the oiler works really well too. Don't have a bar on it, but it'll be hard to see. Alright, we'll do a restart. I don't know if you could heard me in the video or not, but the oiler on this thing also works really well. I forgot to mention that. Hot restart, 1 or 2 pulls usually. So this thing runs really good. I just have 2 of them, and I have one that's actually in a lot better shape, even though this is in really good shape as well. So anyway, any questions, ask.